Okay, so just got these cool things. They're basically wrapping paper cutters. So it's got a little blade in here. And then all you do is you go through the wrapping paper like that to cut it. The cool thing about it is that it does have tape as well. So you can grab this and then take it off. So you don't need the tape to be separate, and you can just have it all in one, which is amazing. So let me just show you guys how to do this. But first, I want to show you what this comes with. So it does come with some tape, which is pretty cool. I believe it comes with a set of 4, as there's already 2 on here. And then it also comes with this, which I'm not sure what it is. Probably something to replace on this. And then also it comes with a little user instructions. So we got a piece of wrapping paper, and I didn't want to use the whole roll because it was a little bit too wasteful. So this is what we're doing. So you're going to put this part through there and then this on top, and then you're just going to push it. And then it cuts really, really easily, very simple, as you can see. Looks super seamless. And then you also have the tape. So these are really cute. They also look like kind of little houses. They look very Christmassy with the red. And yeah, I definitely recommend this. Great product. You should go get yours.